Stop. Before you spend another dime at a mechanic, look at your dashboard. Most drivers are sitting on a gold mine of hidden tech, but one specific ghost feature in your car is the only thing standing between you and a $3,000 engine failure. You're likely ignoring 18 mind-blowing secrets that protect your safety and your wallet. Let's dive into the first one before you cause permanent damage. Secret number 18, windshield wiper service mode.
We've all seen it. An ice storm hits, or you pull into a high-pressure car wash, and your wipers are pinned helplessly against the glass. If you try to force them up, you risk snapping the tension spring or scratching the hood. Even worse, if they freeze to the glass and you turn them on, you'll hear that dreaded pop. That's your wiper motor burning out, a $400 mistake. But your car has a hidden handshake to prevent this. On most modern vehicles, you can activate service mode. Here's the expert trick. Turn the ignition off, and within 10 seconds, pull the wiper stock toward you or push it down. The blades will magically climb the windshield and stop dead in a vertical position. Now they're standing at attention, safe from ice, and ready for a 30-second blade swap without you leaning over the fender like a gymnast. Have you ever struggled to change your wipers? Tell me in the comments if this trick works on your model. Secret number 17, seatbelt energy management loop. Have you ever noticed a strange folded over section of webbing near your seatbelt buckle? It looks like a manufacturing error, but it's actually a one-time use lifesaver. This is the energy management loop. In a high-impact collision, your body becomes a projectile. If the seatbelt stayed perfectly rigid, the sheer force would likely fracture your ribs or cause internal organ damage. That little loop is designed with sacrificial stitching. During a crash, the stitches rip apart at a calculated rate, acting like a shock absorber for your chest. It literally manages the kinetic energy so your body decelerates more gently. Expert tip: if you're buying a used car and see that this loop is torn or missing, the car has been in a major accident. Never, ever drive a car with a compromised belt loop. It's a silent guardian that's already done its job. Secret number 16, hidden battery saver mode. We've all had that oh no moment, walking away from the car and realizing the dome light is still on. You expect a dead battery in the morning, right? Not necessarily. Hidden deep in your car's power control module is a battery guard protocol. Most cars built in the last decade feature a load-shedding timer. After about 20 minutes, the ECU realizes the engine isn't running and starts cutting power to non-essential circuits like the radio or interior lights. It's a fail-safe to ensure there's just enough cranking amps left to turn the starter. If you notice your car occasionally turns off the radio while you're sitting inside with the engine off, don't panic. Your car is actually looking out for you, saving you from a $150 battery replacement. Secret number 15, secret Autolock trick. If you're the type of person who walks halfway to the grocery store entrance and then turns back to double check if you locked the doors, this is for you. There is a lazy lock feature hidden in your driver's side door panel. On many vehicles, if you press and hold the physical interior lock button for 3 to 5 seconds before exiting, you trigger a delayed locking sequence. Once the last door closes, the car waits about 10 seconds and secures itself, often with a quick honk to let you know you're safe. This isn't just about convenience, it's about security when your hands are full. No more fumbling for keys while balancing 3 bags of groceries and a coffee. Does your car lock itself, or do you still do the fob click 3 times just to be sure? Secret number 14, pin windshield washer nozzle adjustment. If your washer fluid is spraying the car behind you or just pooling on your hood, you don't need a new pump, you just need a sewing pin. Those little black plastic nozzles on your hood are actually mounted on ball and socket joints. By inserting a fine needle into the opening, you can pivot the entire jet. Aim it for the upper middle of the glass. When you're driving at 60 miles per hour, the wind will push that spray down to the center, giving you a crystal clear view instantly. Most shops will charge you diagnostic time for this 10-second fix. Keep a pin in your glove box. It's the cheapest tool in your arsenal. Secret number 13, grocery hook trunk storage. Open your trunk and look at the plastic trim along the sidewalls. See those little plastic tabs that look like they belong on a coat rack? Those are high-tension grocery hooks. Engineers realize that a 5-pound bag of takeout becomes a messy disaster the second you take a sharp turn. By looping the handles over these hooks, you create a gravity-fed stabilization system. Your dinner stays upright and your trunk stays clean. Pro tip, these aren't just for food. Use them to hang your gym bag or wet umbrella to keep them from sliding around and soaking your trunk carpet. It's simple, effective, and built in, so why aren't you using it? Secret number 12. Tire pressure alert when filling. Tire pressure gauges are notoriously inaccurate, and gas station air pumps are even worse. But did you know your car might have a fill alert system? On many newer vehicles, if you leave the electronics on while filling your tires, the car monitors the TPMS sensors in real time. When you hit the factory spec PSI, the car will give a short chirp of the horn. If you overfill it, the hazard lights will flash rapidly. It turns a guessing game into a precision task. Properly inflated tires can save you up to 10% on your fuel bill and prevent cupping or uneven wear on your expensive rubber. Check your manual. This feature is a total game changer for DIY maintenance. Secret number 11. Battery reset ignition trick. Your car is essentially a rolling computer, and like any computer, it gets glitchy. If your windows aren't rolling correctly or your idle feels slightly rough, don't call the tow truck yet. There is a soft reset sequence. Turn the key to on without cranking the engine and hold it for 30 seconds. This forces the ECU to re-handshake with every sensor in the vehicle. It clears out temporary logic loops that cause weird dashboard warnings. This can save you a $100 diagnostic fee at the dealership. Think of it as rebooting your car. How many of you have had a check engine light vanish just by turning the car on and off?
Secret number 10. Emergency manual fuel door release. This is the ultimate emergency-only secret. If your battery dies or the electronic solenoid in your fuel door fails, you're stuck at the pump with no way to get gas in. But engineers aren't that cruel. Almost every car has a mechanical override. Open your trunk and pull back the carpet lining on the side where the fuel door is. You'll find a small plastic handle or a cable, often bright green or red. Pull it and the door pops open manually. Don't wait until you're stranded with 1 mile of range to look for this. Find it today so you're ready for the worst-case scenario. Secret number 9. Car Jellyfish Launcher feature. Ignore the funny name. This is about preventing rust. At the base of your windshield, under those plastic grills, are the cowl drains. When it rains, water flows into these vents. Inside are small rubber flaps resembling little jellyfish that allow water to exit but prevent leaves from getting in. If these clog, water will back up and overflow directly into your cabin's floorboards, or worse, fry your interior fuse box. Twice a year, take a vacuum or a blast of compressed air to those vents. If you ever smell damp basement in your car, your jellyfish are likely clogged. Secret number 8. Seatbelt height adjustment. If your seatbelt is rubbing against your neck, you aren't just uncomfortable, you're at risk. In a crash, a belt that sits too high can cause severe neck trauma. On the B-pillar, the post between the doors, there is a sliding mechanism. Press the button and slide it down. The belt should cross your shoulder, not your throat. It takes 5 seconds and makes the car significantly safer for shorter drivers. It's the most ignored safety adjustment in the entire interior. Secret number 7. Hidden glove box cooling vent. Why pay for a 12-volt portable fridge when you might already have one? If you see a small circular dial inside your glove box, you have climate-controlled storage. When your AC is on, this vent diverts freezing air directly into the compartment. It's perfect for keeping a bottle of water cold or preventing your chocolate snacks from turning into a puddle during a road trip. Just remember to close it in the winter or you'll have a very warm glove box. Secret number 6. Gas pedal reset for smooth acceleration. Over time, your car learns your driving habits. If you drive in heavy traffic, the car becomes lazy to save fuel, leading to a laggy, unresponsive gas pedal. You can unteach this. Key in the on position, floor the gas pedal for 10 seconds, turn the key off, then release the pedal. This resets the throttle mapping. Suddenly, your car will feel snappy and brand new again. It's like a free performance tune-up you can do in your driveway. Secret number 5. Replace cabin air filter yourself. The dealership will ask for $60 to change this. The filter costs $15 and takes 2 minutes to install. It's usually located right behind the glove box. If your AC smells like old socks or your windows fog up easily, your filter is likely choked with dirt and pollen. Swap it out yourself and breathe clean air without the mechanic tax. Secret number 4. Brake drying feature for wet weather. This is invisible safety at its finest. When your wipers are on, many modern cars, especially German brands, will subtly tap the brake pads against the rotors every few minutes. You won't feel it, but the friction generates just enough heat to evaporate the water film on your brakes. This ensures that when you actually need to stop in the rain, your brakes are dry and ready for 100% stopping power. Secret number 3. Auto hold with one press. Hate holding your foot on the brake at a long red light or on a steep hill? Look for the auto hold button near your gear shifter. Once activated, you can come to a stop and take your foot completely off the pedal. The car stays put until you touch the gas. It's a massive relief for your leg muscles in stop-and-go traffic and eliminates the fear of rolling back on an incline. Secret number 2. Remote start without subscription. Manufacturers love charging you a monthly fee to start your car from an app, but check your key fob first. Try this. Press lock once, lock twice, and then hold the lock button for 3 seconds. If your lights flash and the engine cranks, you have free, built-in remote start. They don't tell you about this because they want that $15 a month subscription revenue. Don't pay for what you already own. Secret number 1. Auto tilt side mirror when reversing. This is the ultimate rim saver. If you have power seats, your mirrors can likely help you park. Put the car in reverse. Now adjust your passenger mirror so you can see your rear tire and the curb. Now shift back to drive. On many cars, the mirror will return to normal, but it will remember that parking position every time you hit reverse from now on. This prevents curb rash, those ugly scratches on your rims that cost $200 each to repair.